Alright, so
what up, guys? So look what Ruben got.
you wanna see what I got?
He doesn't tell me.
Oh, let me show you. Y'all can just tell by that.
Yeah, look at this. So fucking heavy. Fake ass plastic.
Boy.
I mean, carbon fiber.
So,
Clean, boy.
so I got a carbon fiber duckbill trunk
No key.
for the Lancer. Well, the older Lancers don't have the key. The newer one do, with the backup camera, not this one. But yeah, just a little bit dirty right now. So, but we're gonna show you how to install it. Right now, yesterday, I swapped the trunks with the guy. So like, literally, I just had no time. I had to just, I had to put it like, all my wires aren't all the way in or anything, cause I was trying to get out of there fast. It was like an hour and something away, and yeah, bad. And it's so light. And so yeah, it was gonna take a while to literally wire these in, but literally all you have to do is like put them in and then just connect them. So I just had them connected because, you know, you need your lights to be working, not the cost will stop you. But literally we're gonna be showing y'all just how to install it. Just to change the trunks or put, like, take your old one out and put the new one in, you just have to take these two off on both sides, and that's it. And literally the whole trunk comes on. But make sure y'all have to take these off first. So literally,
So now we'll have to disconnect this.
Yeah.
And rewire it up to here. And then
So first, you know, if you have, whenever you have your trunk, like, and you're about to take it off, this is on there, and like all the cables are passing through this, all these back panels right here. And they have these little clips which they clip on through here. You see, they go right here. All you have to do is squeeze them and take them out, and just disconnect everything, and literally just start pulling all the things, and they will come off through this side, and then boom, they're all off. So we're gonna have to disconnect them. This seems easy, but I just had mine hooked up just cause I didn't have time to literally wire the whole thing through yesterday. So literally that's all I did. If you do have the cover, it's just little plastic clips. Just put a screwdriver in, clip him, take him off, and that's it. All right, so now we're gonna
we might release some photo shoot.
Later. We have to. It's needed. And the bumper on the car is painted, so I will show y'all in a little bit. But yeah, we're trying to do this.
All right, boy. Camera guy, get it in there. Damn, boy, this looks so badass. It's not fake carbon fiber. Look at this. Look at this.
Boy, I have VIN number and everything right there.
See?
VIS racing.
Even in Japanese, man. Or Chinese. I don't know.
But yeah, and we have some other videos coming up also. A carbon fiber diffuser on this car too. We haven't showed it, but we're gonna do that too. We have to do the video.
Yeah. And taxes are coming, which means big things, right? We'll see what happens.
We'll see what comes up.
We'll see what comes up, right? Damn. Well, you make me want to get a carbon fiber trunk. Shoot. Yeah, my trunk has holes on it.
Oh, you know what we should do? I never thought about.
What?
Just buy some wrap, and we'll wrap it. You won't be able to see the holes. I don't know, black or something. Yeah.
Carbon fiber.
Oh, yeah, even that. Like whatever color, and they'll literally just
wrap.
You won't see the holes.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, true.
Like I didn't think about that until like yesterday. I was like,
what color do you think you'll go? Cause since the wing is carbon fiber already.
Or carbon fiber too.
Yeah, the wing.
All right, so for this, you know this. I'm putting everything back, and this is what you would take off if you're taking your trunk off. So I literally have ran everything through.
You just clip that.
Yeah, it's like just a little gum thing. I don't know.
Yeah. Then you're just gonna clip this. Oh, that's easy. You already almost done.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I know. All right, so and then you have these clips also. So just
Oh, they go. Do they go through the?
yeah. There's that clip on. There's this one. Literally just go through and
Follow the path.
oh, this one.
Mitsubishi makes it easy. Boy, if this thing was a German car, you're gonna have to like take the whole engine out just to do this thing.
Right. And literally just clip back your.
So no
Like-
tools needed at all so far.
Unless you're taking it off or
Yeah.
putting it on, yeah. To take these off, and to take your these tail lights, the inside ones, you unscrew these two, and then this one's so hard. This is the hardest thing to take off. It's like a clip. You like have to press on it like both ways, so sideways like this, and then this way.
Hell no.
You have to press it and like literally, you're gonna be a while there trying
Yeah.
to take these off. So. Have fun doing that.
I'm glad I wasn't there to experience
Oh
that.
man, good thing you weren't. And then all of our phones died.
For real?
Yeah, my phone died, his phone died, his flashlight ran out of battery, like everything was just
Everything. You guys are like stuck in the middle now.
yeah.
Damn, boy. Have you ever... Oh, there's another clip right there.
Yeah, another clip. Those are like the clip that you have to take off.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, in Texas, weird ass. Boy, it was
Boy,
ice
boy.
today.
Boy, I was like ice on my car too.
Cold and everything. And now it's like getting hot and I'm wearing sweaters and sweats and I'm getting hot. It's freaking crazy ass weather. Oh, look, the cop. Cop. Boy, they look like the ones from Honduras. You know, like cops in other countries, they drive our trucks. Like here, you're putting all the criminals on the trunk. They don't dare put them on the seat. Hell no. I almost lose.
Yeah. Y'all don't have to do this because that trunk that he had, it was like this. So.
What?
Like you have to pass it through because it won't fit. I'll show you. So like the one for the brake middle light, you have to pass it through like the tail light back here, and then just pull the connector in. Yeah. Wait, can you even see through?
Maybe.
Nah, good through here. Look. Yeah, look. That's all. Look, that one you have to pull it like that because it won't fit the other way. Just screw this in. Y'all's are probably gonna be different. Like the one on my trunk was way different than this one. His had this, and mine was just like actual like bolts. I don't know. I guess he just put these in or something. Alright, so that one's in. That connection. Put another clip right here. This one just goes. No, this one goes over here. And then just literally clip these back.
How long did that took? What, 5 minutes?
Yeah, that was short.
Easy. You could eat cereal while doing this.
And this just
protector,
clips on there.
so you don't pop your eyeball through here. Little safety.
And this, for some reason, I can't fit this one. Let's fit it in this one.
Oh,
There we go. So
that's it.
that's all. Look, all the wires are tucked in and everything. Prior before this, you want to check like all the lights are working and everything. So.
Before you wanna.
Yeah, before. It's probably gonna be hard, but and I also have some like fitment issue on this side, but it's probably because of these. Yesterday we kind of bent them a little.
Where?
Well, I don't know where, but I know that we bent them a little because we were trying to take these screws off and they would have come off.
Okay.
But that's just a little fitment issue. Let me show you, and then because I have to make sure the lights all work, so Ramon can tell me something right here. All right.
The fitment over here is perfect.
Yeah, the one over there is perfect, but look, y'all see this little gap right here?
But when it's not that from far away,
You can't tell.
you can't tell, but when you get close,
You can tell,
but,
yeah.
But it's good. Shit, from what you had,
Oh, yeah.
bad.
But it just needs a little wash, yeah. But hey,
Yeah.
tell me if the light was.
Alright. I know. Just try doing it. Alright. How do you turn the ones from the bumper? Yeah. How about the other ones? Go reverse?
Nothing right.
Nothing.
I need to turn on the car.
Yeah. That's everything works. Just try those and that's it. Yeah, everything's good. Alright, works. GDM approved, boy. Huh? Go? Yeah. Other one? Yeah.
Everything?
Yeah, everything's good. You're legal, boy. Damn, boy, you have carbon fiber everywhere. Right here inside the car. Look at that.
And then,
Boy, this boy, it's pillows carbon fiber.
and then I have the diffuser, but we'll show
that later.
After, yeah.
That's for later. It's not really done yet.
Yeah, not yet. Alright, and then all you have to do is put your little plastic on and bring it.
Boy, you know, when I took my thing out, I still have the plastic on my closet. I've never put in it since then.
I saw it. I remember whenever you were moving it.
And I still have the clips. I took mine off when we put the wing on. How long was that?
That's been so long.
Yeah. I just stalled to put it on. Because in my head, it's like nobody can see it. No problem, you know? But are these your lights? Did you have to change your lights?
I changed them. Just not the middle one.
No?
Oh, let me bring a screwdriver so I can screw that in. But
Oh,
yeah, I
boy.
think that's pretty much it.
And this thing are his tools. He literally couldn't find them, and they were in the same place we put them last time. But I guess we looked, and the room was dark, and the box was dark, and this was against the box, so we really couldn't see it. But he found them right when I got here, man. But those are our tools to do everything. So those, and he has some more over there. My boy, man, how did you not find that?
I was looking like crazy for them.
Damn.
Alright, so the clips that come with the.
All you gotta do is. Oh, damn, you got nice clips. And if you guys like lose them or something, they sell them at like O'Reilly.
Yeah, anywhere.
O'Reilly for like what, 75 cents to give you like 30.
Yeah. So your braking don't matter, but yeah. So literally, all you have to do if you want to change your trunk, this is gonna be on there first. So take off the clip, you know, around here, real quick, so like that. And then just connect all your wires.
The lights.
Yep. Yeah. And then literally just pull them all across through your trunk, and then pull this and get them all the way out.
Take it out.
Once they're out, next you're gonna take your tail lights off. So you're gonna take those off. That's two, and these two screws right here. This one, and this clip right here, which is hard.
Yeah. And this one you have to press them on both sides. Yeah. You have to do it like here and then like here.
And it's hard. It's like so hard. Unless your car for some reason is easy, but take those off. Take these two screws off, and just swap your trunk and literally just do everything in reverse back. All right.
That's it.
Oh,
but yeah, we couldn't really get like an actual footage of actually happening for the first time like we usually do because it was so unexpected. Yeah. It was like you have to put this trunk on you or you're gonna get a ticket.
Yeah.
So there wasn't really time. Like in your head you were just gonna go pick it up, but you actually had to
that's what I thought I was gonna do.
You actually end up doing a little trade.
Yeah.
Well, he kept that wing, boy.
No, I have the wing.
For you didn't want it? You're like, hell no.
He was gonna wrap the trunk and put a big wing on it. Yeah. But I was like, boy, I could sell that wing.
Really? No.
Not bad.
But we've got our way. We just to put the plastic on the car. We just need tape and some.
Oh, dang. So that's it. I'm
End
just
up
missing
doing-
one clip because it broke. So I'm gonna leave it like that. But everything else is good.
That's it.
That's it. We don't need any.
No, we need the plastic dip. So, but yeah. Damn boy, let me find my name here. Don't move, don't move. Boy, let's see. Where's it at?
I'm like right here.
Where?
Me, I don't know.
Ruben Marine. Look at that faggot. And then I have the longest last. Did I go to the school?
Yeah, you.
Where? Oh, Ramon Cruz. They used my other last name. I don't like that last name.
So literally that's all for the car.
Bad.
Doesn't take that long. But just in case, you know, kind of wanted to show you. But yeah, let's get that.
That's it. To get that thumbnail, watch out, like that. Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, oh, I better put it.